Hema Sechiwa Henepa and Edukome. You know, my own baby Dijuma, and they Jordan Tunu see the Fabe was over Bremo. I am Fan Association Societe General Ghana, Apollonia City Development, Cowbell, Latex Foam, Agbeve Herbal Center, Lily Rice, Vodafone, Tabia Herbal Mixture, and a Second Kings Real Estate, Fecos Spray Stars. You're too sexy. Who are doing try your WhatsApp line 0556 748 029 0556 748 029. WhatsApp messages Fabre, Telegram Fabre. Na yenshen kaima. Meaning you say bonsu. Novan aqua Hayford. Novan aqua by saying
me ho ye na no pe no so e.
Koyi papa.
To me pa you are in high spirit. Would be kind. I say no pe dey I say o fire no son.
Fire no was wrong.
It was rover. And the omo mutie no just a fire the be ko okosi say so asem.
Area. Enye easy.
Na the fire no dey. Enye easy. Obi anyina yi. Na dey be your omo dia.
Edukumi. Obi koye die.
Nkaya Erade Adom kaya na aha PDS for asem we dey measure ma mimisa. Yes om dey meter fufuru bi aba. O kwa akoto creditor. Obekono na o receipt no. Ya cho bibi also. Also dey come ho. No mo change meter no ma no mo dey fufuru aba be bo. Fufuru na you see remote control. Ultimate talk credit o baby a just o mo ho. It is our credit San Friday ya. Na ya na joa Saturday. Omunya adwuma.
Oh sir. O district bang.
Ahoy Ganof. Gan West. Yeah.
No, not.
Oh, enyezo. Obi. Saturday Sunday na madasumu. PDS 20. Yes, I'm this kind of better.
Because umita no omo dey foforo na bebo ho.
Omo dey abebo.
And a credit almost I just omo hop na what.
So more you see remote control. Me tell you see remote control. Oh, who be that?
That's how you guy.
Guy na try same ni. Wow.
Wa wasem.
Na e boa ye ho akọ na nakue champoma yi na menya light into no.
Oh, kafra.
Ni se miniska. My useless.
Kafra.
PDS for. Mo mani ada ho mutimi sore ama mo ncho. Mo hwa na mo nya adwuma enti se wo light san. Ne fan say Sunday okọ akọpe bi ata.
No, but I think a legitimate concern, and maybe minimum the country into other prepaid vending points. Won't mean talk credit.
Just more.
Wow.
The can say the ECG phone manage your PDS for the
PDS is doing it on behalf of ECG. At least with a new arrangement. No, but you still have to go to PDS. So I'm gonna air on behalf of.
And then I
remember that no question. Then no man hopeless.
What do meter use to remote and just say when you scratch card at least we unit the scratch card scratch and what go so na baby we'll get there your mom pie
you get there no me na mo be example
unfortunately we da sumo ebe o man try na tena sema me
akonya wa ha
why na jiwa konya kafra na wasanka ho ne ko ha mum ba na ye ho ne be wie na waje wa konya ma
we be ma kan kese
ndi oka na akoye kana enye izo nova nti unim Friday no na Ghana for enya information from the Bank of Ghana said Oma wie universal banks
sure
Oma ye microfinance NA Oma TS savings and loans and finance houses. In fact, two bi wo mu kra de no mo ye non financial institutions,
leasing company
ne ade omo nso no eka ho. But ukwe social media say focus ni nyina call GN savings and loans, obviously, because of the person behind our company, no?
Sure.
And the gravitas in our society. We nipa Odimu, in fact, presidential candidate for a political party. Onye ni packet one mood. It was expected say focus nebekoba. And maybe we'll start with GN savings. Near him say a GN bank. And a Bank of Ghana in the universal banks cleanups, no? Yeah, downgrading one bar. GN savings and loans.
The
minimum capital requirement.
400 million.
Good. And your mobile savings and loans, no be free say hold here. omo ho be son be no so na senioma anhye da nkoyi. Bank of Ghana so omo problem den with GN savings and loans.
Okay, and no yen hwe say nsem bia Bank of Ghana etrofa GN savings and loans papa ko si innum company ho. First one no me can bro for them akere or say the institution adjusted net worth of negative 30.70 million as at the end of May 2019 indicates that its paid up capital is impaired in violation of section 28(1) of the Act 930. Now say you can say obi net worth say ya hwe enoma wo nyina na ye eka odidi efrim na ya hwe nti you can say no crowd the negative
that is a problem.
It is a wodeka it's not so no nkasa ne network nkasa running the negative ono nkasa ote ono eka
nti yafa wajapade a wo nyina
no
na yayi wo ka efrim no because still a wodeka nti no net say it was at negative 30.70 million 30.70 million
Ghana cedis. It was at negative. Second one mo say the institution's adjusted capital adequacy ratio of negative, just only the negative, no, negative 61.2% as at the end of May 2019 is in violation of section 29(2) of Act 920. Now, capital adequacy ratio, no, and no cry any day. Very simple. Say, you all share capital adequacy ratio now. Yeah, just say, usika waje go no. Yeah. Say, you just any loans a wamama. Say at the moment assembly tools is here you wait me atwetwe ho ana
so wo sika bi da ho wo betimi de ho atoto
so and no crown also has run into negative of 61.20%.
Negative 61.
That which is not allowable within the banking sector. And no banking sector rules, I mean you're allowed to do some 10% sometimes. Okay. It's allowed, but
61 there naturally where dia atitim
what you say what there see no assembly say na untumi entwetwe already no hwe net worth in negative we capital adequacy ratio 61%
negative 61
and also another problem. Then the next one will say contrary to section 61(2) of the Banks and Specialized Deposit Taking Institutions Act 2016, the institution's exposure to its related party has consistently been above the regulatory limit of 25% of net own funds. Exposures to other affiliate companies were mainly payments made by the bank on behalf of such affiliate. Not just or other companies. I mean, almost sika ye move edia ko those other companies no exposure, which means that so more loan, so more then too much. It's also a problem because
insider trading
because I don't know Bank of Ghana rules amount up to 25%.
Okay,
but I mean the fact that your net worth is around 30 million, your capital adequacy ratio is around 61.1%, negative 61.20. No, that's just a one casano. Now, we're saying about the structure of GN's balance sheet clearly shows that the bank mobilizes deposits for its related companies. Same way. Wo jiji nkofo sika edigu u bank ho. Now, just what jiji says now they are come
other companies. So
no akasa wate. Enti me fan say GN yenim so owo hotel or way into obeji sika and not odema omo. Either so the more as a loan or for just a project
fire BB.
Or say the inability of these related companies to honor their obligation to GN has resulted in serious liquidity challenges and contributed to their insolvency as all related party exposures are non-performing. The institution's high non-performing loans was mainly attributed to these related party exposures which were never paid, thereby putting deposits of its customers at risk.
Okay, now just kana we the command the other companies no. Omantua ma back bi.
Enti say the momo crampo say omuntua hu nsi hu bi a. Sika na kra principal na kra.
Principal na
asana nsi hu ne de to adwum. Enti no so ye problem a ewo ho. Ena ahano ne asem no. Or see, a recent Bank of Ghana investigations conducted at GN revealed that a significant amount, now where the says Ghana scale, US dollars, currency, or see 62,255,516.93 cents and no sign what pounds be ho say 718,528.52 and 4,200 euros. Or say says which are deposited funds held with GN had been transferred to International Business Solutions, another company owned by Group Indum and which is based in the USA, without any documentation to support such transfers, in breach of Section 19 of the Foreign Exchange Act 2006, Act 723, Section 5 of the Bank of Ghana notice number. I mean, at the end of the day, the can say, to me, over $62 million. Among 40 musika line up on GN Bank, any other savings, and any other companies, the securities near the Gold Coast securities near the musika even crack to me call videos in be. In fact, 3 months ago, the videos in be chera one man for that no musuma me penny. Now to me send this SK we say these are which me says pushes SK in out of the country. Internet is on one company. Now we hear free Ghana. The Bank of Ghana say scandal crowd they call and a quiet case of faso. Yeah. Now because I mean Foreign Exchange Act no Mrane say who this can be quiet say go through Bank of Ghana. Yeah. So much because of money laundering this no money in anything. But the challenge with the honest and a honest now was a Bank of Ghana. The focus no should not only be about say okay, you revoke company with license. You're making sure say you have a receiver na buy man is say onfa entry deposit sika emfa ma nasa because we be wire such an amount out of Ghana. In the other saying say obi any Bank of Ghana who no ya aware say over $64 million every year system nim eco US and na one no and into the eno be so and on GN no meba because time into GN issue statement on sa issues we Papa Kwesindum chairman and CEO of Group Indum and an Sashas here point one they say neither shareholders nor management of GN Savings have received any official communication from the Bank of Ghana regarding receivership. And you're number one. That's what Monsanka communication be. And I'll say, if these documents are indeed genuine, the statement within regarding GN Savings are widely inaccurate. Given the detailed information provided to the BOG nearly a year ago, these statements are inconsistent with our discussions with both BOG and the Ministry of Finance. We are aware that the Ministry of Finance has previously confirmed that balances due GN Savings and other related parties are far in excess of the amount quoted in the communication from the BOG. And Awaka said, our position is that GN Savings is not only solvent, but would be highly liquid if the Ministry of Finance simply ordered itself and other government agencies to quickly pay amount owed to GN Savings and other related entities. We expect this matter to be resolved in due course. And almost say all stakeholders should remain calm, blah, blah, blah. And the Bank of Ghana can be fast, I can. GN so more than Bank of Ghana for Akase. Yeah. Related companies debt. Yeah. And they only know GN Savings. GN Savings. That is where they regulate. Okay. And you know, so when you are buying a juma, yes. It's gone bad. Yeah. And now say other companies na mukoya and no ma say and no fat Bank of Ghana and no inform GN savings and no ne ade o mo hwe tam na ye bank and no mo hwe ye savings no mo hwe. I mean, what is the exposure Papa Kwesindum is talking about? He's talking about 2 billion Ghana cedis. Yes. Right? Yes. But this is $62 million. You're telling me that you could push $62 million from this country, which you couldn't use in paying deposited funds? And you are chasing government for 2 billion before you pay? Really? And the other thing with our government debt, Nimpo, and it's the monies did not leave GN Bank straight to government. No. Through almost contract from government. Contracts. And I free war. And government would have to pay those people. And they would pay after validating the claims. Exactly. And he said, yes, GN Bank, Mikra letter, manya $10 million contract from government. One me $10 million. Exactly. Abayin so say
Yes, what 10 million there. But Jumana, why am I? No one year, Jumana wasn't me 3 hours.
10 million.
And me 3 hours 5 million. But I want to 10 million from GN Bank. It is a GN Bank base what the Obaba J, you know. I guess I don't bind them as Haka we are. A Honda and we need some more information to that.
And a Bank of Ghana, a deputy director for the BSD department, and said that the risk of GN savings and loans or bank or the GN guys in government business was too high. They didn't do proper due diligence. Oman Tomobo Anshe now Oshe say Obiaba no se contract and was Udi.
But I don't know see GN dispute figures, no. A Bank of Ghana so one day.
Minister of Finance is dispute.
Let's see how it will go. So say Omuni na betna se akasa
was Bank of Ghana they almost say wafa yende o bank na regulate. I know they could be I don't know nya asem. Only a bank come asem. It no ni nya.
But me go over the list of banks na fe menye ohema na edukumi adwenchara fe yensan emra metwa so. The list of banks no for more message banks where savings and loans for more monte you know baku 23 and there were Ascent Financial Services Limited, Adom Savings and Loans Limited, All Time Finance Limited, Alpha Capital Savings and Loans Limited, ASN Financial Services Limited, CDH Savings and Loans Limited. Hey, CDH.
I don't know me share.
Commerce Savings and Loans Limited, Crest Finance House Limited, Dream Finance Company Limited. Dream Finance. Okay. Yeah, well, Express Savings and Loans Company Limited. Express Savings and Loans. Express.
They're very popular. They're very popular.
What they are trying to do here. First African Savings and Loans Company. Oh, I know the owner of this company. Yeah.
Yaje license no.
Yeah, I know the
Bank of Ghana.
A very popular person. So when him owner no.
Me say Omaji. Bank of Ghana body.
Owner no so your bar. First African Savings and Loans Company Limited. Wow. And there were First Allied Savings and Loans. First Allied so you're popular.
Oh yeah, First Allied.
Branches all over.
Branches all over the country. They were one of the widely networked companies that we had.
First Ghana Savings and Loans Company Limited. First Trust did some solid branding.
Yes.
First Trust.
Yes.
Well, unam a year from your friend is saying Jowlu Junction. Baby, a petroleum commission that dying was some solid branding, red and white. Very, very nice. First Trust Savings and Loans Limited, and a Global Access Savings and Loans Company Limited. Global Access.
Global
Access.
Global Access.
And yeah, Papa Yadi. Kofi Amwa. And you Kofi Amwa.
Saturday, correct me, could you remittance?
Normalization Committee Chairman.
Hey,
Global Access.
So good, Baba.
GN Savings and Loans.
Papa goes in.
Hey, Ideal Finance.
Ideal. Greater Accra, a representative on the
Council of States. And yet you're talking TV Africa.
Cottage.
Hey, Ideal Finance. Hey,
Omaji.
IFS Financial Services Limited.
Almost another guy. So call a 37 ho baby.
Yeah.
You know, as an airport for almost one of the
Legacy Capital Savings and Loans. Hey, Legacy.
Also, I say cottage journey or shares will move some way. I don't know. I think so.
Legacy so me am in call for.
Yaje.
Hey. One baby I kobu ma maybe wo banking hall. Midland. Omonso ka ho. Na so mo si dan nyina mama mi o.
Ni nyina eche no.
Midland Savings and Loans Company Limited.
Enya ma me kwa na no mo de ne ka o.
Ma me ne bo na 200 Ghana.
Na ka fo ho pa.
Ma me ne tri ne.
Hey.
Na me wona fa.
Sterling Financial Services Limited. And a Unique Credit Savings and Loans.
You come na do for. Yaje bank na Unique Credit so. for and yes, I may say Yaji and Yemu, Bank of Ghana.
Tell me her who can Yaji.
Mr. Muncheni here now.
Menya daju pa bi sa yi sa nya ka
o de we be kan omada
and your Uni Credit Savings and Loans Limited. The Uni Credit na Unibank na omo informal sector
we have
financial service so bad. And your Women's World Banking Savings and Loans Company Limited.
I had make no we can na me say
na say you omo bank and omo savings and loans ana
there be a savings
Women's World Bank it means savings and loans
it's Women's World Banking.
Okay.
Enya bank.
In Women's World Banking Savings and Loans.
That is it.
And I can say yes,
Tesano police station.
Also, savings and loans Women's World Banking. But they are savings and loans companies. And I'm also not. Say data bank for no shares or more. Minimum so much on there.
Women's World Bank.
That is a finance minister who be.
So no one cry. On who cry. On running their cry.
Upon Cocasia cry.
On running their cry. And I'm more bomb pie. Can say Ukrum Hayaji.
We lift the corporate veil.
Listen,
and listen, we are 23 and no.
23.
I was here,
because when Mimi Diane say, it seems as on mine. Say your scandal be a son ewo your history and then it's a scandal way. The financial sector issues near the biggest scandal ever in our history.
In the world, it's
probably.
Anytime there's financial crisis,
probably.
I mean, it's
because we know our cost the taxpayer sika yam budget for 11.2 billion Ghana cedis. Sino Hydro sika ye who did a 2 billion.
Yes,
$2 billion. Say also $2 billion should give you around 10 billion.
Yeah.
We are talking 11.2 billion Ghana
14
and even still count 14
actually 14
billion and still counting.
Yeah.
Because yenyamba investment houses. Securities and Exchange Commission where a Bank of Ghana there.
Yes.
14 billion Ghana cedis. And so far, because maybe no sure if this should have happened in the States, and by now FBI might move in. What they say for shake reasons in part to shake the system and to let everybody know, say
you are in control.
White collar crime cannot yentimi encourage and so because no say nenchieni o join obi afa. And by now nipa ni da remand baby. 14 billion Ghana cedis
for many years. Na sem ni so ko wia join bi o baby. Up to now,
because Anka by now, Yoko should have all these guys, directors, CEOs, of all these companies behind bars. Oh yeah, how much pani a ready munina samunina ya de oba initial because prima facie has been established. Clear. Say bibia koswa enye. Minim say untimi emfa the Bank of Ghana aken. You cannot base on this solely and ensure successful prosecution. And also we have more investigations.
Yes.
But still, these people
some
should
are
not
civil, some are criminal cases that you need to look at.
People should not be sleeping in their houses. It's not fair.
Obi,
it's not fair.
Many are secret.
It's not fair.
It's your my way. Nipa bit make a boom. Ni a better bank. Ni a jejun krufusika. Ni a basa. Ibibiasi na na abaye tia. Na Ghana ni nam.
14 billion Ghana cedis.
Na ban kra be gunu no. Ekofama na ban di sika ahyem. Ekofama na ban di sika ahyem.
Yes, sorry I say ni sika ukuru.
Liquidity support.
Ni di sika ahyem. Na asen akofam ne ye misasa na ye den ne kofa.
Say ye kwaje sign no hydro 2 billion. Na se nipa bi ka credit mi ka omubom e ma e ka wo man ne bone duduo ni no mo da so do mo fie da Ghana mpanyimfo ase. Asema e be ka no.
Obeji en.
O man ne say ebi mo dia. Nti omonya ne de omo pe bia.
Obi ko ho sa adabrakabra se okwa kwaji sika.
Jennifer.
So ne bayare. Wonu omo akasa mu ase manager ne ko inside na ofo so o mane nko. E na omo door glass no e paye. Ye chi no kotu mu adabraka police station.
Me kai say the interview cry.
Sika no e free ni sika na ye ntimi ntua man mu. Bi sika no so de ne nsanka. Na mum ye ti sika na ye se wabo glass. yɛti free
wonim nyame yɛ adom a ɔkyena nneɛma akɔ so ɔkyena no
nkurɔfoɔ mo bɛlusi ɔmo adwuma ɛno koraa mae
ɛno mae na mempo deɛ adwuma deɛ no wɔ hɔ ba mehwɛ de over 1.2 million depositors a yɛsika ɛwɔ because ɛyɛ bank because yɛne yɛde yɛsika akɔ nyame yɛ adom ɔkyena yɛbɛtoa so
ɛnɛ yɛ Hayden Egan our Royal Madonna School what time for class 1 na any birthday Doris Egan ɛne ne nua Oliver ɛsɛ woman happy birthday ɛna yɛ nua ani afiampo and so ɛnɛ na woda ɔno so indum TV station
apart from that Obi Mr. and Mrs. Afodu na na kuya champoma woni ni krom so mo da mo mutimi ba mo ntimi ama mo de akoma pate
e ma mo aware so no va nyam ya mo chena e beto aso and the fa be wo so nti time no iswa ochena we do a comprehensive show on the savings and loans and issues women nti yenkotie we mra ye ba ye the fa be wo so eto am so stay with us
say the Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic akohu die tuam ankasa